Yeah, we're just excited. We're excited to have the kids out and just have fun and show them a great day.
Good to see you. Good to see you. Welcome, welcome.
Yes, we're going to actually take kids up in the helicopter as well. We love all types of aviation, whether it's fixed wing or rotorcraft. We just want to show the kids a great time and just inspire them, again, to reach for their goals, whatever that is in life. Hopefully aviation, because there's great opportunity out there for anyone that will want to pursue it for a career. Jordan, that's my name, perfect. Okay, Jordan's gonna be my little pre-flight helper today. Today we have a group coming in, Steel City Impart. Grab this with your hands. Go ahead and lift it up. See the yoke inside, it's turning. As these turn, and if you see the opposite aileron on the other side, it moves the opposite way. You're flying. You're gonna be flying soon. We're gonna let some of the kids fly the airplane and under our supervision, hopefully have an amazing day and just show them a really good time and inspire them to do whatever they want in life. So we're gonna go have some fun. So this is a nice pre-flight. The three of us, let's do it. We have a couple planes here. This is our main plane, our main trainer plane. It's a Piper Archer, and it's 180 horsepower. It can seat 4 people. It has the latest and greatest avionics. You can see the world, see different cultures, and you have to be very present when you're a pilot. You know, you can't be up there daydreaming.
Yep, that's it.
Aviation industry, there's a lot of choices. The pilot, air traffic control. Gets into my field is the mechanic field. This airplane, to make it go super fast, it's called a constant speed airplane. There's a control lever in the cockpit for the pilot. When he gets to a certain altitude, he can set it and it will increase and decrease the pitch out here. So when he increases that pitch, the same engine RPM, it'll pull the airplane faster than just being at flat pitch. So the propeller, these are the blades. The center under, this is called the spinner. Underneath here is called the hub. And this is what on the car we call it a body, but in the aviation world we call it an airframe. So many aspects of just being a mechanic. You have to know nuts and bolts, you have to know electricity, you have to know switches, fuses, filters, everything like that.
You can be as young as 16 years old for your first solo. I recommend starting that young too. I had a fascination with flying. Always liked to watch birds fly, things fly, but I never once thought that I would be a pilot. And I chose the helicopter route just because helicopters can do some things airplanes can't. Fly sideways, left, right, backwards. We can land places airplanes can't. If you're going for just the private pilot's license, you're looking at around 40 hours. You need a minimum of 20 hours with an instructor, a minimum of 40 hours in a helicopter before you can go for your private pilot's license. It usually takes people more than that just because it's so inherently different than an airplane that they're more challenging to fly, really. My goal is to become an EMS pilot so I can hopefully one day help people.
My dad worked for the airline, so we always traveled for vacation. I think it was kind of in my blood since then, and it's kind of come full circle here, try to pass that on to the next generation.